Selection Committee. Okay, it's headed, co-chaired by Governor Eli Remolona of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, and then Mr. Paul Clavila, the co-chair of the CEO City of Philippines. We have Mr. Jose Maria Concepcion III, founder, Congreso, and former presidential advisor. Ms. Sandy Prieto Romualdez, CEO, Inquirer. Mr. Ramon Lopez, Independent Director of SM Investment Corporation and former Secretary of the Department of Trade and Industry. Salve Ibanez, I'm not sure if she's around, the President, Empower and Transform and anchor of ABS-CBN News Channel. Ms. Lisette Cipriano from the Asian Development Bank. Attorney Rachel Gumantang Remalante, Director of Corporate Governance and Finance Department of the Securities and Exchange Commission. And Mr.